Are you ready to become the best version of yourself? Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of improving your mental and physical well-being. Whether you want to boost your energy, sharpen your mind, or build confidence, this video has you covered. Let's transform your life, one step at a time. Self-improvement is not just a trend, it's a way of life. But why is it so important? Think about this. Every great achievement starts with personal growth. When you improve yourself mentally and physically, you open the door to endless opportunities. Let's break this down. Myths. Mental clarity. A clear mind helps you make better decisions and enhances your productivity. Do physical health. Good health gives you the energy to chase your dreams. Chapter 3. Emotional resilience. Building mental strength helps you handle life's challenges with grace. Let's start with your mind. A healthy mind is the foundation of a fulfilling life. Here are proven ways to boost your mental well-being. Spend just 10 minutes a day meditating. It reduces stress and enhances focus. Write down 3 things you're grateful for every day. This simple habit rewires your brain for positivity. Read books that challenge your perspective. It's like a workout for your brain. Try to understand others' feelings. Emotional intelligence strengthens relationships. Self-reflection. Ask yourself, what did I learn today? How can I improve tomorrow? Practice mindfulness by being present in the moment. Whether it's eating, walking, or working, give it your full attention. Now let's talk about your body. Physical health is closely linked to mental well-being. When your body thrives, so does your mind. Whether it's yoga, weightlifting, or running, find an activity you love and stick with it. Even a 15-minute workout can make a big difference. The key is to stay consistent. Fuel your body with whole foods, lean proteins, healthy fats, and complex carbs. Drink plenty of water. It's essential for energy and focus. Plan your meals ahead to avoid unhealthy choices. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night. Sleep is when your body and mind repair themselves. Incorporate stretching into your routine to prevent injuries and improve flexibility. Improving yourself is not about big leaps. It's about small, consistent steps. Here's how to build habits that stick. Define what you want to achieve and break it down into actionable steps. Use a journal or app to monitor your growth. Celebrate small wins. Life happens. Adapt your routine as needed, but never give up. You don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with people who inspire and support you. Find a community with similar goals, whether it's fitness, hobbies, or personal growth. Mentors and peers can provide valuable insights and motivation. Every journey has obstacles. Here's how to overcome them and stay on track. View challenges as opportunities to grow. It's okay to ask for help. Everyone needs support sometimes. Remember, self-improvement is a marathon, not a sprint. Improving yourself mentally and physically is the greatest gift you can give yourself. Start small, stay consistent, and never stop growing. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Let's continue this journey together.